Exercise 6.09. Test a DC machine for continuity and insulation resistance.
Dear student, in the coming exercise, you are going to learn how to test a DC machine for continuity and insulation resistance. Note down the measurements in the given tables and show it to your instructor.
Tools or instruments required. Wireman's hand tool kit, 1 set. Mega 500 volts, 1 number. DE spanner set 5 to 20 mm, 1 set. Equipment or machine required. DC compound machine of any rating, 1 number. PVC insulated flexible copper cable 24/02 mm, 660 volts grade 4 meters. Crocodile clips 16 amps, 2 numbers. Task 1. Testing a DC machine for continuity. Switch off the main switch of the DC motor and remove the fuse carriers. Note down the nameplate details in your practical notebook. Identify the pairs of the terminals from the marking. Test the continuity of the armature terminals A1 and A2 using a Mega and repeat the same process across the field terminals D1 and D2. Shunt field terminals E1 and E2. If continuity between the terminal of the same winding is not found, inform the instructor. Only when continuity exists, you can proceed to the insulation test. Task 2. Testing insulation between windings. Fill up the columns 1 to 4 in table. Connect the Mega terminal between armature and shunt field terminals as shown in figure. Rotate the Mega at its rated speed and note down the reading in table 2. Repeat step 3 for testing the insulation between the shunt field and the series field and then between armature and the series field. Enter the reading in table. The measured value should not be less than 1 megohm. Task 3. Testing insulation between armature or field windings and body. Fill up the columns 1 to 4 in table 2. Connect the Mega between armature and body as shown and note down the readings in table 2. Then connect series field and body and then shunt field and body. Measure and note down the readings. If any reading is 0 ohms, then it shows short circuit of the winding to the body. If the reading is less than 1 megohm, this shows that the insulation is weak. Report to your instructor to improve the insulation resistance.
So far, you have learned about testing a DC machine for continuity and insulation resistance using a Mega and noting down the values in the respective tables.